I seldom take in products kasi nga po, kung hindi po ako naniniwala doon sa product na makakatulong, no, nung una pa lang binigay sa akin itong produkto na to, ako nagulat na po talaga ako eh. Kasi seldom in the market you see an herbal extract product. No, so, and seldom you can put this in one. Bakit po? Kasi nga po the technology. And it's so unique kasi this is an extract. It's basically lahat ng laman ng plants, hinigup nyo at pinagsama-sama. That's what we said extract. Kaya kung what is in the plant, it's basically in the solution.
Ang dami-dami pong healthy ingredients ng Alveo. But the problem is, karamihan po dyan wala sa Philippines. At karamihan din po dyan, hindi mo makikita on one country alone. Mag-iikot po kayo buong mundo para pagsama-samahin yan.
Yung tatlong basic principle, dapat meron kayo nun. Restore acid-base balance. Diba? 2, dapat nakaka-detoxify siya. And 3, dapat it can provide cellular nutrition. Alveo can do all of these things for you. These are some of the conditions that can be addressed outside of cancer, no? Pwede pang rheuma, diabetes, asthma, infection, constipation, and a lot more. No?
90+% ang effect po ng Alveo sa diabetes.
They added chromium, no? Sabi ko nga, ang galing nga. No? Ang hirap ng chromium hanapin. No, chromium is a trace element, no? Konting-konti lang ang kailangan mo niyan to support life, no?
Kung cancer naman po pag-uusapan, siguro po tingin ko po 90% din po against cancer.
Is it safe for kids and elderly? There's no questions about kids and elderly. You can take Alveo too. Sa elderly, no, you need to take more, no? Kasi one, mahina yung metabolism nyo. Ang kagandahan with Alveo, you bypass digestion. No, hindi katulad yan, sabi, ay kakain na lang ako ng alfalfa. 'Di ba? Pag kumain kayo ng alfalfa, 50 to 20% of the nutrients are gone in the intestine. Maganda kasi dito, they repair lahat ng mechanism na 'yon, dadaanan nito ng katawan nyo bago talagang masabi na you're imperfect. So definitely wala siyang steroids component, no, and no alcohol component, no.
My point is that what you have right now is a very good product. Ang maganda po kasi dito, with Alveo, product of Acuna, years of studies po yan before nilabas sa market. And the exact formulation of each compound, of each ingredient, tamang-tama po para sa lahat po ng mga sakit po natin, not just diabetes. I would just like you all to applaud what a wonderful product we have here, Alveo.